So I tried going viral on TikTok using both trends and paid TikTok ads, and this is what happened. Let's get into it. Mi gente, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since I posted. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. My name is Nico Santana. I'm an artist, content producer, videographer. I own a small digital media and marketing company called NTS Media, and well, I do a bunch of things, but this channel primarily focuses on music creation, music business, music marketing, and just sharing my tips and tricks as a DIY artist, which I've been doing for the past 10 years, and just kind of imparting that on you guys, whether you're new or you're seasoned and looking for some tips and tricks. Now, this particular video is sponsored by none other than DistroKid, so I want to give a shout out to them and here in just a moment. But just to catch you guys back up, if you've been around for some time, it's been about, 2 weeks since I've last posted a video, and a couple things. I turned 30 this last week, so crazy. A lot of things have happened in the last 10 days between enjoying time with my family, going on a little trip, getaway with my wife, and then actually my wife's birthday was yesterday, so we also celebrated that. Work has been on pause for the most part, and I've also been doing a lot of side work, or a lot of really main work for my clients at NTS Media, where I really dedicate my time to digital media and marketing for small businesses, whether local or national. And just doing a lot of work there. Given that context and just giving you guys a little bit about who I am, I'd like to do a lot of trial and error with my channel, with my social media. If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. I like to do a lot of trial and error on my own stuff, right? Just to see what happens, or see what works, see what doesn't work, so that I can hopefully share that with you guys here on this channel as artists, as content creators, and also for my small business clients, so that they can benefit from that as well. So I took on this little experiment. Basically what I did was I started a TikTok not too long ago, maybe this past year I think it was. And I'm honestly I don't have the time nor the creative energy to really dedicate a lot of time to it right now, but I hope to open up some time and breathing room there for that. Obviously, TikTok is a very fast-paced environment for content creators. You have to be on the go. Quality is not necessarily at the top of the priority when it comes to TikTok. What matters is how creative your content is, and oftentimes how well you can capture your audience, whether it be through trends, or starting new trends, or just having engaging content that's around 15 seconds or less. Like I said, I haven't really been in the game for that long, so I tried a couple things here, and basically these were the results. I started doing 30 tips in 30 days, which I ended up deleting because I couldn't keep up. I tried to do 30 tips in 30 days prior to turning 30, and so that was kind of like my MO. It didn't really catch, and unfortunately I just didn't have the time to keep up, so I ended up tossing that challenge to the side. I also posted some videos where I emulated the trends that were ongoing at that time. Fortunately or unfortunately, didn't catch on either. Basically what ended up happening was I either hopped on the trend too late, I don't know, whatever it is, it just didn't catch on. And of course TikTok's algorithm does push you on their For You page, really is what it's called. If you are catching on, there's a lot of engagement, people are replaying your stuff, and so on and so forth. Using trending sounds is another way to catch on TikTok virality, if you will. If that's something that you're into. Trending sounds basically are sounds that are popular and being used by creators alike, so that with the TikTok algorithm allows you to catapult your content. And then of course posting regularly, kind of the same basic premise of YouTube and Instagram, where you have to post engaging content, posting regularly, consistently, and tailor your content to the specific platform. Now, here's what I found out when I actually started running ads. So I ran ads on a couple of my posts, as you could see here, and basically what you do different to Instagram and Facebook is you actually buy what's called tokens. So you buy tokens from the platform. If you're an iPhone user, you pretty much do like an in-app purchase, and basically you can buy a certain amount of tokens, but basically it's an uneven amount of tokens that you end up purchasing, and so it leaves you wanting to purchase more in order to jump to the next category of like the ad tier, right? So you could purchase a certain amount of tokens and you can run an ad for a certain amount of days, spend X amount of tokens, and it's all kind of like preset for you in the TikTok platform. So once you do that, once you set your tokens up, and once you've kind of pre-purchased your campaign, you kind of just watch it grow. Like Instagram or like any other social media platform with their ad kind of back end, you set it up where you target a specific audience, and from there, whatever demographics you end up choosing, it tries to target that specific audience. I don't remember exactly what audience I tried to advertise to, but I just ran a simple campaign, and this video actually ended up getting the most traction, so I continued to run the ad on this video. Now I jumped from about 30 followers ish to well over 500 and some odd followers within a span of a couple days. After I ended the campaign, I didn't really see much results from getting all those followers, if you know what I mean. Like, I ended up seeing pretty much the same amount of views. Was it worth it? I'm not really sure. I think longevity is the name of the game. So if I were to post more frequently after that, if I were to engage with the platform a little bit more, I would say that that would have worked to my advantage. Now, where does this come in when it comes to being an artist? I think that TikTok is a great place to be discovered. There are tons of artists who have been discovered on TikTok. I personally have had a song that I've contributed to go viral on TikTok without me necessarily doing a viral TikTok video myself, and you can watch a video on that up here. It's a great place to get your music heard. It's a great place to have your music go viral potentially, and then of course, if you're on the platform and you're a really good user, you can build your own brand and audience from there, and then showcase your music, whatever you're working on, regularly on TikTok. Shouts out to the sponsors of this video, DistroKid, because when you distribute through DistroKid, you can also make sure that you distribute through TikTok or to TikTok via DistroKid. You can have all your music be translated into sounds, basically is what they're called on TikTok. So not only will you have your music available on Spotify, on Apple Music, but it's also available on TikTok. Once your personal or music or brand profile on TikTok reaches a certain limit, you can actually associate those sounds to your profile. I'm personally not there yet, but I know this creator by the name of Eldre, who has a really big presence on YouTube and on TikTok. He's able to associate his viral songs to his TikTok profile. So if you're not already a part of the DistroKid community, make sure you sign up. Again, I want to give a huge shout out to DistroKid for continuously sponsoring my content. And if you have any questions on trying to go TikTok viral, I'm probably not the guy to ask, but if you have any questions on running ads or anything like that, feel free to comment in the comment section below. Again, I love doing this trial and error type stuff, so I'm happy to share my experiences and some insight that I've collected throughout the years of trying to do stuff like this. So much love, guys. If you found any of this content valuable, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Press that like button for me, please, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Much love, mi gente. Bam. Oh, and by the way, sign up to DistroKid using my DistroKid VIP link for 7% off your first year of DistroKid membership. DistroKid.com/VIP/Nico Santana for 7% off. And join my Patreon if you want direct access to me having more direct conversations. Patreon.com/Nico Santana. Much love.